Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super useful topic, how to send large audio files on WhatsApp. Whether you're a musician, a podcaster, or just want to share something cool with your friends, you'll find the tutorial incredibly helpful. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk about WhatsApp's file size limit. Typically, WhatsApp allows you to send audio files up to 16 MB in size. This limit often isn't enough for high quality recordings or larger audio sessions. So, what do you do when you need to share something bigger? Let's explore your options. Option 1 is compressing your audio file. You can use audio editing software like Audacity, which is free and easy to use. Open your audio file in Audacity. Go to File, then Export and choose Export as MP3. Lower the bitrate to reduce the file size. Remember, the lower the bitrate, the lesser the audio quality. Listen to the compressed file to make sure it's good enough for your needs. Then save it. This method is quick and might just be sufficient for smaller reductions in file size. Option 3 is using third party apps designed for large file transfers, like WeTransfer or Send Anywhere. What you need to do is go to the WeTransfer website or app, choose your audio file, and enter your email and the receiver's email. Hit send, and WeTransfer will create a link. Once you receive the link, simply forward to your WhatsApp contact. Just like cloud services, this method maintains the quality of your core audio and can handle large files easier. And there you have it, two effective ways to send large audio files to WhatsApp. Now you can share your music, podcast, or any audio files without worrying about the size limit.